Hey Zilliqa holder, I'm sorry for late update. I'm really sorry for my subscriber, my viewers who are my friend daily my friend watch my videos. I'm sorry for last I think 2 weeks ago my brothers too I cannot make a latest update for Zilliqa and latest prediction. But after a very long time my brother I will come in, and thank you so much for everyone who subscribe our YouTube channel and who are waiting. Thank you so much. Everyone asked me in Instagram, so therefore I make video urgently, and I sorry for late video. I'm so busy now. So this time, absolutely, my brother, you can see here Zilliqa, one of the favorite in one of the fastest cryptocurrency. This time also gonna very good now. So I like it. But my brother, I have also planned to invest more. Especially at the end of month, I sell it, and I'm sorry, my brother, but I know my brothers to upcoming time they will move upward. So therefore, I have a plan to invest more now and buy more. Let's see, my brother. This time, absolutely, if you predicate this coin video technical analysis, then you better understand. This time, the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and it's absolutely massive change occur, massive price. You can see here changing. So that's a really great news for all of you to devil moving upward. And definitely, my friend, at the mid of month, every coin will starting moving upward now. So therefore, I know my subscriber, my viewers understand this, but who are my friend? A lot of holders are new on my channel. So therefore, I will notify you to in the start of month every coin falls down, but at the mid they starting moving upward, and at the last they will broke all records. They will go in the moon. So we my friend, be alert now for this type absolutely update, and just and only you need to press the bell icon for videos notification. All right, my friends, come to the prediction. This time my brother I already opened it the last 1 month chart and fi predicate, so you better understand now my brother. Holder who this time invest the who is this time my friend plan to invest, so I think this will be very good now because the price is very cheap and there is a lot of chances so they will move upward now. Definitely if we just only check out my friend the last 1 hour chart, then we better understand. But this time my brother, this chart is completely show you to upcoming time they will move upward now. Let's see my brother in last 1 hour to really they will move upward because Zilliqa, yes, absolutely, my brother. You can see here this time Zilliqa is absolutely starting upward now. Congratulations, everyone. This time change occur plus 2.05%. The price is increased now, and the price has come to 0.0828 USD dollar. So that's mean to the price is continuously, my friend, increasing and hour by hour, minute by minute. And I hope they will make you a millionaire now. So why are you waiting? Hold it. I hope they will give you a good profit. Let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But Zilliqa holder, please, if you have my friend any plan to invest more, so this is very good time for you, my brothers. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.